Hi, everybody, and welcome to 5 Minute Frequency Tune Up. I first of all want to just wish you blessings for this holiday season. I hope you're going to enjoy yourself. I hope you're going to kind of factor in a little bit of time for yourself as well. Just checking my microphone's on. And this is a time, right now where we're approaching the solstice. I hope you'll join me on my free event on Sunday. I'll leave the link below. There are still spaces if you want to join. I'm going to do a free activation for you on the solstice. But we're coming towards this part of us where many people are talking about what are we going to do in 2026? What's our New Year's resolution? And it's interesting because actually, New Year's resolutions are something that actually we can be creating throughout our whole year. We're always in a space where we can manifest new things or create new things. And this solstice energy, coupled together with the new moon in Sagittarius, is saying to us, what do we want to expand? And of course, there are parts of us that we don't want to expand. And I'm joking here and having a laugh with you. Obviously, I don't want to expand my waistband anymore. And there are many of you that feel like that as well. But joking aside, what do you want to expand into 2026? Something that is really dear to my heart is helping people to live their truth of their mission, truly, authentically living your mission. But what parts of you do you truly want to let go of? Maybe this solstice energy and this Christmas energy, let's call it, is getting you to take a look at your relationships, your relationship to yourself, your relationship to money, your relationship to everything in your life, perhaps your relationship to your beliefs. That might be something that's coming up for you right now. And maybe there's an old belief that you're letting go of. But the key thing I think about this time is, what is unity and oneness? There's the kind of very airy fairy unity and oneness, which is where, we've got to love every single person in every single way. And that stops us from having our discernment, our boundaries, and our own authentic voice. When we have unity and oneness spoken about in a way that everything is love, everything is light, we forget who we are as humans. And I have spoken about this a little before, where we might give everything away. Like we would say, well, actually, my gift is to be a medium. Let's say I am actually a medium, but my gift is to be a medium. And so I'm just going to give everything away for free, right? So then what happens is you can't pay your rent or your mortgage. You can't put the lights on and you can't put food in your belly, right? So of course you can't give everything away. And as a human, what you were meant to learn, one of the things you're meant to learn, is that actually there has to be a beautiful relationship between masculine and feminine and the give and take of life. And so if you're always giving, this is not in harmony with the relationship of who we are as humans. Okay. So we go into depth about that in my masterclasses. And if you've missed the money masterclass or the relationship masterclass, you absolutely can get those on replay and they will be sent out on my newsletter. Okay, so you just go to my website, susankennard.co.uk, and we go into depth in masterclasses. We also go into depth with this work in my soul family, which is the Soul's Ascension membership. So if you've thought of expanding to something to do with your mission, the membership might be your key. You can find all that on my website. But thinking about it from the perspective of boundaries, as a human, you're a soul having a human experience, but you're not just a soul. You've chosen to have this physical form and you've chosen to be a human. So where is it that this energy right now is showing you that you need to be more discerning or more boundaried. Okay. So I think what the guides want us to do today is a short process, a short meditation, a short connection to help us to align more fully to our boundaries and our discernment. Okay. So have a think a bit as I'm talking to you. Have a think, where is it that in your life you've perhaps given your power away? Okay. And let's work with that part of us, because that doesn't serve us. And as we're expanding into 2026, where there's incredible stuff happening, we don't want to be holding on to that old energy of giving our power away. Okay. So let's come into our heart space. And I'll leave all the links here in the notes so that you can click on the links. And if you want to join the free Solstice activation, I'll leave that at the top. And then all the other links where you can get replays and so on, you can purchase those. And also look out for the next masterclass that I'm running. So I run masterclasses for £11. So I feel like those are affordable for most people. And if not, you can come on my free ones when I run them, and you can also join the membership, and you can also get a one-to-one session with me. There's a few left of my Black Friday deal, which is an ascension pathway session. And those of you that are watching that have had one of those know how impactful that is in clearing the blocks and everything out of the way, including ancestral lineage and past life stuff that stop you from stepping fully into your higher self and your mission. Okay, so let's come into our heart space. Let's just take a bit of time to come into our peace. So just take a beautiful deep breath and hold it. And I can feel myself dropping into that space of no thing, no space, no time. Even though I know I'm here, I can feel that sense of connection. I just come into that space of connection and peace for a moment. And I want you to say the words, I'm fully aligned with my consciousness, mind, body, soul, freedom. You might get a sense of an alignment as I did. It's almost like I'm being pushed back a little bit to align my back, my spine. Good. And then I want you to imagine your earth star under your feet and your soul star above your head. And let's imagine a beautiful beam of light coming down from your soul star to your earth star. Good. And we'll just bring the earth star down a little bit deeper. So let's just imagine the earth star in the center of the earth, maybe. And maybe imagine it being a crystal star. Good. And let's bring in our guides and angels. And let's also bring in the ancestors and all of the aspects of ourselves. Good. So let's just connect with a part of you that's showing up in this world right now as a mirror, where you've given your power away. Okay. So you can come back to me for a second with your eyes open if you want to, but you can also just listen. And let's just acknowledge that part of you. So whether it was with your parents, whether it was with a partner, whether it was with a work situation, whatever it is, just put your hands on your heart and just say, I'm so sorry that you gave your power away. And then just take a deep breath and feel that. Feel where that might be kind of moving around in your body. I got a bit of a feeling in my solar plexus or my sacral area. Yeah. So let's say it again in a different way. I'm so sorry you gave your power away to them. Always say it in the you and not in the I. Okay. I'm so sorry a part of you felt unworthy of your power. You might need to take a deep breath on that one. I'm so sorry they couldn't see your beautiful light. I'm so sorry you couldn't see your beautiful light. I'm so sorry you wanted to be loved, so you let them treat you how you felt you deserved. I'm so sorry that you gave to receive. I'm so sorry you forgot that you were worthy of receiving without giving your power away. And I want you to say, I'm so honored that you're here today so that we can heal together. And then I want you to imagine that you're bringing in all of those parts of yourself. It might be child parts, it might be other parts. And just bring them all into your heart. And I'm just hearing as well that we're just going to call in all soul fragments from any lifetime where we've given our power away. So I want you just to imagine beautiful golden light coming into your heart now as we intend all the soul fragments. They're saying from all of the different timelines, bringing you into this now timeline, into this present moment. Good. So just connecting now, come back and just connect in now when you think about your life, how it is now, and how do you feel about those boundaries? How do you feel about relationship dynamics or dynamics with other situations? Do you feel like you have given your power away? Do you feel like actually now you can have a voice? So I hope that helped you a little bit. Know that whatever shows up in your experience, we're going to be spending time with our families. Not all families understand who we are spiritually, what our journey is about. So just stay in your presence and remember that every single thing you are shown, so someone's response to you, whatever you feel about that is your inner work. Okay? So we're not blaming, but we're noticing and we're wondering, oh, that's interesting. I felt this. I'm so sorry you felt, and whatever emotion it was. Okay? So that's your inner work. So much love. Have a beautiful holiday season, whatever you celebrate, however you celebrate. I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you so much for joining me for the whole of this year. I'm excited to go into 2026. Join me on Sunday. I hope I see you on Sunday on the free activation. I have a feeling the guides are going to come in and do a galactic activation for us. So I'm excited to share that with you. Much love, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.